Hello, this is Jane for Boatshed Essex on board the Westerly Solway with an interior video. We're starting off in the main saloon. As you can see, she's a very large, spacious boat. Lovely saloon area with a folding table, 2 single berths, recent headlining. We go forward into the forward double cabin with an infill. The current owners use this as storage, as you can see, with their sails and folding bikes. They have extensively cruised this boat to Holland, down the channel. We come back, starboard side. We have the heads. This boat has a holding tank and shower, standing headroom. If I turn round towards the aft of the boat, back to the saloon, go to the starboard side and see a nice spacious galley. Has a double sink, hob, oven and grill, and a cool box. Plenty of stowage on this boat. And we turn over to the port side with a nav station with everything that you'd need. A nice spacious chart table. I continue through to the aft of the boat. Come back to the aft cabin, which again has a double infill. It's a lovely large cabin. Also has a sink. And we've also got access to the cockpit locker, which is from the cockpit obviously down into the gas locker here. And again, we've got engine access to the seacock. It's a recent engine which the owner had installed and has not done many miles. Go back through into the main saloon. This boat is capable of long distance cruising, great for families. And if you'd like more information about this boat, you go to boatshedessex.com. Thank you.